time to go, y'all.
Hurry,
it's
Will.
GoPro time. The episode of Jill's crew, y'all.
Good morning. I'll put it on speaker so the people can know what's going on.
Good morning.
Good morning. You're on video, kind of. We're about to leave the shop. Do you want me to go to Ace first, or do you want me to go to Ace when we need to get pine straw later?
You can do it when you get pine straw. That's fine.
Okay, we're gonna head over there now then.
All right, we'll see you shortly.
Okie dokie. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Buckle up, everybody.
Time is money. Time is a virtue.
Why are you putting the camera on me? Put it on yourself. Okay.
Look at Jill.
Hi. Good morning. Happy
Good morning.
Monday. Just sing it.
No, I said good morning.
Sing it for the people on the YouTube.
I said good morning.
2 hands on the wheel, like always. We're going to Mitch's house today.
We're gonna be leaf removals and pine straw. Kate, I'm sorry, this video is going all wrong.
Oh my God!
Disaster.
Say hello, Will.
Hello.
Okay, we're at Mitch's house. We're gonna get all his leaves out of his yard and into the bed of the truck. And Will's gonna wear the GoPro.
Yeah.
Here you go. Just the front.
Yeah. I mean, it needs touched up a couple places, but it's up. Get it, Jesse. Oh no.
Shut the gate.